Anvil again. Just getting Anvil all night. I like it for King better than TDM. It's not a great TDM map. I think you can still like them on Facebook if you like. Is it Gears of War? Does that promo still work? Try to active Lancer me down. Come on. Got dizzy on the steps. Yeah. Oh, that guy came back. What is that?
Eat it.
Is that peanut butter?
Mm-hmm. You like it?
Is that peanut butter M&M?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't like those that much.
Well, we have a whole bag to eat.
We have a whole bag of peanut butter M&Ms?
Look.
Oh. Are you serious? What do you think? I was just kinda... He just decided to disconnect his controller right now? Why update? Why? I think I've updated at least 20 times, maybe more. I'm gonna count in the last 2 days of streaming. It's starting to annoy me. There's two of them. I think one is might have torque. I'm grabbing ensigns right now. We got two now. There's a guy in the corner. Watch it, watch it. Both corners. Guy's out. Bring back Mansion? Oh man, I don't want to see Mansion come back. I feel like Hotel is Mansion. Yeah, Hotel is just like Mansion. Really? They got two guys at frags. Oh, I hit that bear. 53. Day one was like a bigger, worse Raven down. I really want to see what is the name of that map? It's like part of the first DLC. I can't remember on Gears 1. It's a map I want to see come back. Huh. Oh, come here. Nope. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, this guy dropped nades, I forgot. That's my nade. What? See, look, this is what I'm talking about. Major League weapon scan on a retro. You see this? Don't do that. That's trolling. That's trolling right there, guys. Don't do that. No! I ran into that. Roadie strafing. Kidding me. Watch it. Why can't I remember the name of that map? Old Bones. That's the name of it. Old Bones would be an awesome Gears of War 3 map.